Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1988 to 1995 Hilux and pickup trucks. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your bed mounts, bolt, and truck bed. Cut off the factory middle raised bed mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-proof primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement middle raised bed mount and put your frame support piece onto the back of your bed mount. Then, hold it up to the silhouette where the factory body mount was originally located. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your middle raised bed mount onto the frame. Then, weld the part on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your bed. Then you're done.